going to demonstrate how the Cherry's pallet exchanger will transfer from wooden pallets to plastic pallets. I am entering the pallet exchanger with the electric pallet truck. Going up against the back wall, I have secured the load jack. I will then retract the electric pallet truck and come over to the control console and hit the auto function. The machine will grip the pallet. It will then bring the pallet clamping table down to the load, sensing the load, and not actually clamping the load. Sidewalls will come in, the machine will tilt back. Again, the sidewall is never quite touching the load just to contain the load. The machine is tilting back and going to strike the limit switch. Once it hits the limit switch, the loading table will come down with the check pallet in the machine. Then enter the machine with the electric pallet truck, taking the check pallet out of the machine. I am now removing the check pallet and going to then transfer over to the blue plastic pallet. I am now going to enter the plastic pallet truck and re-enter the Cherry's pallet exchanger. I will position the pallet in the center of the machine up against the block wall so I know I'm at the rear of the machine. I'm now lowering the pallet and I am exiting the machine. I will now re-hit the start button. Securing the pallet with the pallet grippers, the loading table is now coming up against the load. It will then, once it senses the load, the pin will engage and it will stand up the load. Successfully transferring your product to another machine. I will now re-enter the machine after the plate is fully retracted as well as the gripping devices on the pallet. You have now seen a successful pallet transfer on the Cherry's pallet exchanger.